There's fun in learning around the bend. You could even do it with your best friend. If there's science stuff that you like to know, come watch Allie and CoCo Science Show.
Whoa. Hey guys, it's day 14 of a very CoCo Christmas and we still haven't done an experiment. Let's do an experiment. Let's get started. Today our experiment involves, of course, my favorite holiday beverage, the peppermint hot chocolate. So what we're going to discover is what is going to melt these peppermint sticks faster, a hot chocolate or a cold chocolate. I'm going to give you guys 2 seconds to come up with a little hypothesis. Awesome. So if you've been watching me for a while, you might have seen my other video about making cookies and how to design an experiment. If you haven't seen that, I'm going to leave a link down below. But today we're kind of following the same scientific method. So we've come up with a hypothesis. Now we're designing our experiment. So I need to keep everything constant. So I'm using 1 cup of almond milk, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Yeah. What we're doing now is we're going to heat up the hot chocolate. I'm going to mix up the cold chocolate, the chocolate milk, and then I'm going to put it in the fridge. So I'm going to stir that up now. Oh my god, she's too much. And then we're going to put our peppermint sticks in. Now our peppermint sticks are going to be the same length, and we're going to see which one loses more of the candy cane, the peppermint stick, in a 15-minute period. Couldn't find my tape measure with centimeters, but as we can see, we're measuring from the top here. Where am I? Measuring from the top. Just even that out. And our candy cane is starting at 5.5 inches. Scientists like to use centimeters, but today we're using inches. Moving on to our biggie right here. Did you want something? Okay. So for my other candy cane, we're at 5 3/4 of an inch. We're putting our candy canes in. Cold milk is in Texas. Hot milk is our Texas state. And let's get this. Oh no, I broke it. Oh god. Okay, we've got the hot chocolate in here, in a bigger cup, mind you, and a cold chocolate milk in here. We're gonna give it 15 minutes to see who has a shorter candy cane by the end. Okay guys, it has been 15 minutes of an amazing dance party. So now it's time to measure our candy canes. So here's our hot cocoa, and this is all that's left of our candy cane. Cold chocolate milk. We've lost some color, we've lost some width, which maybe I should have measured. On side to side, I made this cute little thing thinking there'd be more. That's fine. Here's where our hot chocolate one is, and I'm gonna just stir that back in because it's delicious. At me. So now our candy cane is 2.5 inches, meaning it lost 2 1/4 inch. And our new one, chocolate Colette's pawing at me, so again, here we go. It used to be at 5.5, and now it's at almost 5 1/4, a little bit more than 5 1/4. So it lost 1 2/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch. I was right. So how did this work, guys? Why did the hot one lose more of the candy cane faster than the cold milk? It's a really simple physics and chemistry concept. When a solvent, which is the liquid you're dissolving something in, when a solvent is warmer, it has more kinetic energy. There's more bouncing back and forth of molecules to break the bonds of our candy cane, our peppermint stick. The hotter liquid has more energy to melt down and dissolve our candy cane. So with that, guys, I want to know, for the question of the day, what do you like better? Do you like your beverages hot or cold? I am always cold, so I like, especially at this time of year, hot drinks. I don't drink iced coffee. I only drink hot coffee, no matter how hot it is. With water, I just like room temperature, maybe slightly chilled water, but nothing too icy. What do you like? How do you like your drinks? Wow. Well, guys, with that, don't forget to answer in the comments down below, do you like your drinks hot or cold? And give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, or you just like cute puppies who are staring at treats. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to follow us for more adventures. And we will see you guys tomorrow.